What up, guys? What's up, guys? What up? What's up? This is Len from South Africa, and welcome to the Bearded Man Lifestyle. So, today on this video, I'm gonna talk about minoxidil side effects. Obviously, I'm gonna also talk about the gains. So, the side effects, side effects. So don't you hate it, guys, when you're trying to groom your beard and side effects get in your way, especially when you're using minoxidil? So here's what's happening with me. I'm having side effects, but before I talk about those side effects, I have to tell you guys that I'm not using any medication. So all these side effects is because of minoxidil. So before anything else, so this is week number 2, and I've been applying minoxidil twice a day, in the morning and in the afternoon. So, I was just chilling on the 5th day applying the minoxidil. I was just chilling, watching the movie, and then boom, my face was puffed up, man. My face was puffed up. So when my face was puffed up, I would say, no, man, it's nothing, blow it over, because a lot of people were experiencing this side effect. But then another side effect, boom, my feet were swelling up again. So I was like, no, this is this is a big no. I'm not gonna apply minoxidil again. So if I remember very well, I think this was on Wednesday. It was Wednesday, yes, if not Thursday. No, it was Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I noticed that my feet were swelling up and my face was also swelling up. So I told myself tomorrow, which was Thursday, I'm not gonna apply no minoxidil. In fact, I told myself that I'm stopping. So that's what I did. I stopped. On Thursday, I never applied the minoxidil, and my face was fine and my feet were okay. Then I was like, what? How about I apply it once a day? Let me apply 1 milliliter a day. So on that day, which is Thursday, I applied 1 milliliter on my face, only the whole of 1 milliliter. So when I woke up on Friday, I realized that my face was fine, but my feet were swelling up, not as much as they did initially. So I told myself, all right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply minoxidil twice a day, and I'm gonna apply it 0.5 milliliter on my face in the morning and afternoon before I sleep. So this is the plan. I'm gonna lower the dosage, guys. So I don't know if you have experienced this side effect before. If you have experienced this side effect, what is it that you do? Did you stop immediately, or did you continue applying the minoxidil? And if you did continue apply the minoxidil, did it really affect your health? Did it affect your health? Please leave a comment there. Or nothing happened, or this side effect, they just faded away, like most of these side effects that are happening. So please leave a comment and tell us your story. That would be very, very interesting to know, guys, whether you experience those side effects and nothing happened to you or something happened to you. Now the reason why we make this video is to show you what happened, or the progress of the beard. So this is the progress of the beard for me so far. For this is week number 2, by the way. So this is what's happening here. Yes, this is the side, and this is the face. This is the front, and this is the lower part. So as you can see, I have a patch there, man. I have a patch there, and this is my other side. Not rich, but as you can see, I need more minoxidil. So yeah, this is my journey. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Please leave a comment or like. That I would appreciate, guys. Until next time, cheers.